So I thought I'd bring you a film of all my bikes. So here we go. It's my KTM, freshly fixed after I fell off, flipped it. New rear guard. Exhaust is still bent, but what are you going to do? It's my dog Tyson. Got the thumpster, full of grass. Got the old Suzuki A100, full of grass, with an Odyssey behind it. All the little projects I was supposed to have done. Got the old school beast for the missus. My daughter's little moped. KDX all covered up. The old CR. There should be a DS down here somewhere. Got a few more bikes out at my old man's place. But yeah, I'll have to show you them another time. Jet dice. My little daughter's four-wheeler. Just freshly fixed after we broke the diff in it. So I hope you enjoy.